Good morning, everyone. In today's session, we are going to see how to import members and general account opening balance as this current financial year 25-26 will end, and when you create new financial year 26-27, at that time we'll see how to import members and other than members opening balance. For this, we have to go to utility, then click on database utility. Here you can see the option import member opening balance. As you create a new year 26-27, in this current financial year 26-27, for importing members opening balance, you have to click on show members previous year closing balance. Click on this option. So here you can see all the closing balance of the previous year are showing here. This is for the regular bill, and here downward you can see supplementary bill balance. This is the closing balance of last year, which is now became a opening balance in current year. This bottom is for the supplementary bill, and this top one is regular bill opening balance, and bottom is supplementary bill opening balance. For importing this member opening balance, you have to click on transfer it as a member's current year opening balance. Click on this option. Then this will ask for, are you sure to transfer the member's opening balance? Then click on yes. Now data successfully transfer. Click on OK. Now click on OK. This will ask, do you want to update all subsequent members' bill? Then click on yes. Then data gets successfully transferred. OK. Now this option is asking for other than members. Do you want to transfer other heads opening balance also? Means other than members opening balance also you want to transfer. Then you can click on yes. Then this window will open. For transferring other than member opening balance, you have to click on OK. Then this will ask for, are you sure to transfer closing balance from previous year? Click on yes. From this window, we are transferring the closing balance of last year, which is for other than member, to the current year. After finishing this process, you have to repair the database. So click on yes for reflecting the changes. Click on OK. Close. So in this way, we can import members opening balance. So all the members opening balance get imported. Here you can see opening balance. And the other thing that we imported, which is other than members opening balance, like municipal tax, water, the other than members opening balance, other anything is there, those heads opening balance will also get imported. So the another way of importing other than members opening balance is that we can go to utility, database utility, and here is the option balance transfer from previous year. In this window, we can transfer other than members opening balance. As first we go to this database utility, then import members opening balance. In this case, we can transfer both the members and other than members opening balance. And this window, this balance transfer from previous year. In this form, we can just only transfer the other than members opening balance. This is all about the today's session. Thank you everyone for joining this session.